Look at Tesla FSD Supervised version 12.5.5.2 and the 24.33.15 software update are rolling out to selected Cybertruck customer, and free FSD transfer is already rolling out to Cybertruck customer in any Tesla vehicles. This update is expected to include bug fixes compared to latest FSD version, and the release note provide information about potential improved version coming in FSD version 13. It will have faster and more natural lane change decision. Parking lot performance will be improved. Improved performance at intersection and stop. Introduction to speed profiles.